Hey, hello, how are you? I'm Vikas. Today I'll show you how to start a solr in a window. So let's get started. First, we have to install a solr. I already installed a solr here, solr 4.3.1. So how do we have to start solr first? So start solr in command prompt. So we have just start our command prompt here. Here is my command prompt. So first I'll go to desktop directory. Here is my solr. Here is solr already listed. Solr 4.3.1. Okay, in a folder here. If you have not, then you have to go to download a solr. Google about solr download. Solr download 4. Whatever you want. Here is the image. You have to download a zip file and tar file here. The mirror image, another one. Lucent. This is the official solr installation here. You have to download here solr. This document is good. Yeah, exactly. Here you have to just download any tar file, zip file. Is there any problem in connection? So you just have a start, and I already started, so I close it. And you have to unzip your tar. Here I am my tar, and I unzip here. So you have just go to solr here, and here is the example directory here. So change directory to example, and here you have it already a jar file, .jar file, start.jar file. It's a Java virtual machine file. This one work your all over solr start. So you have to first check your Java installed or not. So first check Java version. In my system I have a Java 1.7.0.79. This is 1.7 version. So if you not a Java installed, then install first Java, and then after download solr zip file to unzip it and go to the example folder, and after that Java jar start.jar, and your solr is started. Here is the two of servers, Apache, and another one. It's official website's description, all of. So here is a Jerry. Jerry, one of the server for a solr. Here is a Jerry. If you want to Apache, then you go to for Apache. All of description about Apache described at its official website. So check solr is running or not. So go here and type localhost and solr. Solr by default port address is 8983. By default solr port address 8983, and you just press solr here. Solr. Here you see solr admin. Here our solr is started and it's in working condition, and all of descriptions where to it's locate and host name and when will it start and all of directory where is started and which collection are used here is described. This one of the solr directory where we start, and we going to the example and start.jar we have to start. So either solr is started. Here is one connection on indexing data is only one connection. Indexing data is here. Solr version 4.3.1 and Java virtual machine is running on Java 1.7. Okay, so you have to see your logs and error logs here, and all of error logs you just have to check in logging. Core admin here, and you have to select your indexing your data using. So you want to index your rdbms data. So first you have to install MySQL server in your machine, and after that using connector JDBC connector used to import your all of rdbms data to the solr, and after that you indexed it. So in next session I will show you how to indexing your rdbms data in a solr. You have to just check your rdbms. If you want to indexing your data in rdbms.csv or .xml and .js file, so you go to your solr folder. Here is a solr folder. Your solr folder here. Here you checking example start.jar we started, and here is the example doc. Here are the lots of files which in XML format, JSON format, Excel format, and many different format. So you have to just put these data on your solr using simple command. So I'll show you how to. So next another command prompt here. Another command prompt start. Go to example. Sample docs. Here are lots of XML files and .csv file. So put whatever you want to put in solr and experiment it. So today is fine. I'll